one and all, I am Bhagwati from Classmates. Here I am to represent acid rain. As we know, due to increase in the population, increased use of the vehicles, and also due to the increase in the pollutants by the industries, we know that increase of harmful gases in the atmosphere. So I would like to tell you about the effects, causes, and the measures to be adopted to prevent acid rain. So what do you mean by acid rain? Gases such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide react with the water droplets present in the atmosphere to form acid droplets. These acid droplets remain suspended in the air and fall on the air along with the rain and cause acid rain. Pollutants of acid rain are mainly sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Causes of acid rain.
Causes of acid rain. Acid rain is caused by a chemical substance that reacts with nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide. When these acids mix down, they form acid rain. These are the causes of acid rain. Effects of acid rain. It has been determinal effects on acid rain. It has effects on human beings, living beings, and environment. Effects on agriculture.
Effects of acid rain on the environment. It causes harmful effects on the natural environment when the acid rain falls on the ground. The acid rain seeps very deep into the ground and essential nutrients such as magnesium and calcium leaches away from the ground. So it releases aluminium, which is very toxic to the trees, and it also cannot grab the water from the roots. Effects of acid rain on human beings. It causes very harmful effects on human beings. It causes diseases such as chronic bronchitis and also asthma, which causes human beings very hard to breathe. Effects of acid rain on agriculture. Acidifying the soils, it also causes the essential nutrients to leach away from the soil.
Acid rain. When harmful. Acid rain. When harmful gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide react with moisture present in it, they form nitric acid and sulfuric acid. When these drops fall on earth along with it, is called acid rain. How it comes acid rain? How it comes acid rain?
When gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide react with the water droplets, then these water droplets form acid droplets. These acid droplets remain suspended in the air and they fall along with the rain on the earth, such as they make the rain acidic. So this is called as acid rain.
How we can prevent this
By filtering and detoxifying the water from the industries before returning it to the river, by planting more trees which absorb polluted air, and by using scrubbers. Scrubbers is nothing but the instrument which absorbs polluted air. By minimizing the fossil fuels usage such as diesel and petrol.
Good morning, myself Chaitanya. Our model is about